Hey everyone, this is Michael Treadhart, International Technology Instructor, and we have a powerful class coming your way on Wednesday, June 29th. I'm doing this class in conjunction with First Source Title, and we are going to be at Kelly's Craft Tavern in Frisco from 1 to 3 on Wednesday, June 29th. So we got a great location, but we got a better topic. And that topic is how to make an extra $100,000 annually to your bottom line with Google. I'm going to go in this hands-on workshop. I'm going to show you how you can apply Google Business Profile and set that up for your business, no matter which business it is, and have tremendous success for free. So this is definitely a class you don't want to miss. So come in with your laptop, come in with your tablet, join us for this great location. We'll see you on Wednesday, June 29th from 1 to 3. I'm going to show you exactly how to build and grow your business in this workshop. So don't miss out. We'll see you then. Thanks.